So 3 months into our pregnancy, we were diagnosed, or Ajaya was diagnosed with a hyperplastic left heart, which means the left side of his heart, one ventricle is smaller than the other. And the way to correct that normally is to rebuild the right side of the heart to do the left side's job. There was a few other markers though that Ajaya had that meant that he had a very low chance of survival. So I thought he had markers for Down syndrome and for a hyperplastic nose. So they gave us a really low chance of survival. It was a pretty stressful time, but we kind of turned to Swamiji and to the EN pregnancy program and decided to focus on meditating and visualizing the outcome that we wanted and really creating the best possible experience we could in the circumstances that we were given. And they said that even if he survived the operations, his left side of his heart would always be smaller than the right by at least 30%. And lo and behold, we got through it. We had one minor surgery and not the major ones they thought we were going to need. And he's fine. He's 6 months old. He's perfectly healthy. And the doctors have since come back to us and said the left side of his heart is now the same size as the right, which they categorically told us would never happen. And from a period where we were told by 3 different specialists that we should consider termination to the head of a children's hospital telling us that there was a 15% chance of survival, we now have a beautiful, healthy, mostly happy baby boy.